Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just a short little video on this little thing here. You can guess what it is without looking at the description of the video. It's a nice little thing. It pumps there. It has a nozzle there and a little breather hole there. It's got a name there somewhere. What's it? I don't know, Tekamito or something. I think it's English, I'm not sure. Anyway, it's a grease gun. It's a little palm grease gun. It's a vintage one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a polish up. I think it's made out of, it's not brass, I think it's copper. It's got a little breather hole there, which so when you're pumping it, pumps it out and allows the air to come back in. Don't know if it works. It's not got any grease in it. I'd like to try it out, but I've had this as long as I can remember. I think it was my dad's. I'm not sure, but I think it was. But yeah, I don't need it or use it, so I'm gonna get rid of it, sell it, and give the money to my son. I can get £10, $15, whatever it is, and just give it to my son. Let him have a bit of spending money. So, all right, watch me polish it up. You can see the name a lot more clearly now. It's Takamelit, made in England. I think it's brass coated, and it's still got some marks in there. I'm going to do these lines going that way because it'll tear the wheel to shreds. You just get a cloth and have a look at it. Turned out quite nice, really. Yeah. There you can see the name. Let's go and find out who it is and when it's from. Alright, back in the workshop. This is it all polished up. Quite a nice little item now. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Let's find out about the make. Can you see that? TECALE Teleminet Takal. I can't even read it. Let me write it down and get my glasses on and find a pencil. Right, it's TECALEMIT Tecalmit, made in England. Let's look them up. Looks like they're still about. Workshop equipment. Wow. They've definitely been going a long time. Let's have a look, see if we can let's have a look, see if we can find where they're about us. Century-old company, but we're leading the charge in technology-led solutions, computerized control garage equipment. Look at that. 100 years old. And there's their details. Personally, I would have the date I was started on there, because I mean, this could be 100 years old. In theory. So there you go. We're leading the charge. Tecalmit. Give them a call if you want any stuff. Obviously, if you're in the UK, they might. They're in Plymouth in Devon. There's their address. All right. I think that's all I can do with this one. But yeah, it's quite a nice. You can feel a bit of pressure coming out of there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.